The Arshad Warsi starrer Jo Bhi Karwalo will hit cinema screens this Friday. Here's a candid interaction with the funny man of Indian cinema.
Well, I have someone very interesting with me, and if I had to test him in confidence, he would actually score 200 out of 100 because all the time he says, "Jo bhi karwa lo." So that's you now. So, "Jo bhi karwa lo" से आपका what मतलब क्या है? What do you want to do for us? Please tell me.
No, see, I'll tell you something. Basically, मैं जो भी करवा लो हूँ, लेकिन आज मैं छुट्टी पे हूँ, आज मैं प्रमोशन पे हूँ, तो आज मैं कुछ नहीं करने वाला. Okay, जो भी करवा लो, he is a really nice, sweet guy. He is I wouldn't say wannabe detective. He is a detective, but he wants to be a very good detective. He wants to be like really good in his job, and he is very honest. He's very determined. He's very sincere, but he's not smart enough. That is his problem, which is again a sweet thing about him. He has a motto, and he believes, and he tells his girlfriend that nobody seduced me till now, and he's really proud of it. So that's what he is. There's an entire sequence जहाँ पे Soha and me are together, and Soha is really trying to seduce him. Okay. And वो ऐसी बातें कहती है, which is like a really like let's go like types, let's just do it, and he just doesn't get it. अजीब वो कहती है कि मैं आज भी कॉफी बहुत अच्छा बना दूँ, and he says कॉफी मुझसे अक्सर कड़वी हो जाती, मैं जलजीरा अच्छा बनाता हूँ, आज फिर मुझे अकेला सोना पड़ेगा, तो he says तुम कुत्ता क्यों नहीं रख लेती? इतना बेचारा spaced out.
He's a sweet guy, man. I already like him.
I'm telling you, and it's like the moment the movie starts, you see him, and what he does in his first sequence, you fall in love.
Somewhere on the line, we were talking about this, that how Arshad was not having work for after 8 months after Munna Bhai, but then now he's having back-to-back releases. So these ups and downs keep coming.
Oh yes, my God! I don't know about actors, but mine, yes. I've had the weirdest career in my life. I don't know. It's like you can't have me and you can't ignore me. I'm just there, buddy. It's been nice. It hasn't been the most comfortable ride professionally, but personally, I think I've had a very good time. I've got so much that I want. I'm a happy man, so that's a good thing. Yes, after I did Munna Bhai, I was jobless for precisely 8 to 9 months, approximately, something like that. And that was something which I just couldn't figure out why. And I asked Raju about it. I said, "What is it, man? I thought I did a good job." He said, "Arshad, you've done a very good job. The problem is nobody knows where to put you and what kind of roles to give you. Where should they put you? You are a very strong actor. We can't waste you. And so one needs to figure out how does one utilize it."
Also, after that, we're expecting Ded Ishq Kiya. Right. So, which is a complete contrast to what Mr. Jo Bhi Karwa lo is. So, how are you managing the promotions for both?
When you see the promo, you'll know he's wearing a Pathani, that must be for Ded Ishq Kiya. He's not wearing a Pathani, must be for... Yes, I would like both the films to do well. That will, my 2014 will be gorgeous if that happens. If that doesn't happen, yes, I'll be a little depressed, but life goes on. So yes, I'm nervous, I'm anxious, I'm worried, I'm afraid, and I'm happy, and there's a part of me which is also says, yes,